I'm about to reveal a simple mix to help cleanse and revitalize your liver, so you can feel energized and healthy. But before I do, I want you to understand the profound impact our liver has on our well-being. Did you know that your liver performs more than 500 vital functions every single day? It filters toxins, processes hormones, helps break down food, and even plays a role in balancing your emotions. Wow, right? Now imagine if there was just one simple ingredient that when mixed with water every morning could supercharge your liver's natural detox power, allowing it to work more efficiently and effectively. That would be a game changer, wouldn't it? Well, today I'm going to show you exactly that. Stay tuned because I promise you won't regret it. With our modern, fast-paced lifestyle filled with sugar, alcohol, stress, and environmental pollution, our liver can often become overwhelmed and sluggish, leading to a buildup of toxins and reduced energy levels. But what if I told you there is a simple solution that could help you clean out your liver naturally? Intrigued? Keep watching. With over 20 years of experience as a leading expert in natural health and wellness, I've discovered a powerful mix that has shown incredible results in supporting liver health. The best part is its simplicity. All you need is just one simple ingredient that you may already have in your kitchen right now. Yes, you heard me right. Just one simple ingredient. Let's take a closer look at the star of the show. You'll never guess what it is. Give it a moment and let the suspense build. In the meantime, let's dive deeper into the world of liver health and explore why supporting your liver is crucial for your overall well-being. All right, drum roll please. Are you ready to discover what the secret ingredient is? It's none other than the humble lemon. Did you see that coming? While it might seem like an ordinary fruit, lemons are actually packed with vitamin C, which can help stimulate liver enzymes responsible for breaking down toxins and keeping your liver running smoothly. To get started, simply mix the juice of half a fresh lemon in a glass of warm water every morning. But we're not stopping there. For an extra boost, try adding a pinch of turmeric and black pepper, or a teaspoon of apple cider vinegar to the mix. These ingredients are optional. Turmeric is known for its anti-inflammatory properties, while apple cider vinegar can aid in fat digestion. As a professional, I've seen firsthand how this simple drink can make a big difference. After just a few days of incorporating this into your morning routine, you may start to feel more energized and focused. Plus, you'll be supporting your liver's natural detox process. Give it a try and see the results for yourself. If you've been feeling sluggish or off your game lately, trust me, your liver will thank you. Okay, now let's address the elephant in the room. Some of you might be thinking, what if it doesn't work for me? Well, let me tell you something. Nothing in life is a guarantee. However, what I can say is that this simple routine has helped countless individuals improve their liver health and overall well-being. But if for some reason it doesn't work for you, don't worry, there's a money-back guarantee. That's right, so why wait? Click the link below to get started today. I've mentioned the importance of the liver a few times now, but let's take a closer look at what happens when it's not functioning at its best. Imagine your liver as the ultimate multitasker, working tirelessly to keep your body running smoothly. It metabolizes nutrients, produces bile, filters toxins, and balances your energy levels. However, when it's overloaded or compromised, you might start to notice some not-so-great symptoms like fatigue, dull skin, and slow digestion, not to mention potential weight gain. Trust me, you don't want to mess with your liver. In fact, most people I work with come to me after experiencing these issues and seeking solutions. They're tired of feeling sluggish and looking for ways to boost their energy. It's common for them to express frustration when they see no improvement in their health despite their efforts. That's where I come in. As a leading expert in natural health and wellness, I've developed a range of solutions to help people. Just like you achieve their health goals without resorting to harmful medications or extreme diets, one of my go-to recommendations is supporting liver health, which brings us back to the amazing liver tonic. I've spent years researching and testing different ingredients to find the perfect combination that supports liver function and overall well-being. And let me tell you, this simple mix is a game changer. Now I want to share a real-life example of someone who transformed their health by adopting this routine. Meet Sarah. Like many others, she struggled with fatigue, digestive issues, and a general feeling of being unwell. After implementing this liver-supporting protocol, including the morning drink, Sarah experienced a remarkable transformation. Not only did her energy levels soar, but her digestion became smoother, and her skin glowed with newfound radiance. In fact, here is a photo of Sarah before she started this journey, And here's a photo of her after. Isn't it amazing? What makes Sarah's story so inspiring is that it's not an isolated case. I've witnessed similar transformations in countless individuals who dared to prioritize their health and embrace a natural approach to wellness. But remember, it's not just about the drink. While it's an essential component, it's also crucial to adopt a holistic approach that includes a healthy diet, regular exercise, and stress management techniques. When combined, these elements work synergistically to unlock the full potential of this liver-supporting routine. So if you're ready to take control of your health and well-being, it's time to give this simple routine a try. Remember, it's not a magic pill, but a consistent approach that can lead to remarkable transformations. Here's how to incorporate this liver-supporting routine into your daily life. Firstly, start your day with a tall glass of warm water mixed with the juice of half a lemon. Wait about 15 to 20 minutes before having breakfast to allow the drink to work its magic. Secondly, continue to follow healthy supportive habits throughout the day, such as eating nutritious meals, staying active, and managing stress levels. By following these simple steps, you'll be amazed at how quickly your body responds. Within just 7 days, you might notice increased energy levels, clearer skin, and improved digestion. It's incredible what a difference this routine can make. Remember, your liver plays a crucial role in filtering toxins, producing bile, and regulating various metabolic processes. By supporting your liver, you're investing in your overall health and vitality. It's important to note that while this routine is safe and effective for most people, it's essential to listen to your body. If you experience any discomfort or adverse reactions, discontinue use and consult with your healthcare provider. Everyone's body is unique, and what works for one person may not work as well for another. After incorporating the liver tonic into your daily routine, you might be wondering how long it will take to see results. Well, the good news is that you should start noticing positive changes within the first week. Increased energy levels, improved digestion, and clearer skin are just a few signs that your liver is thanking you for the TLC. However, it's important to remember that everyone's body is unique, and the time it takes to see results can vary depending on factors such as overall health and lifestyle habits. For some, the benefits of this liver tonic may be felt almost immediately, while others may need a few weeks to fully experience the transformation. But here's the thing, consistency is key. Just like anything else in life, the more consistent you are with this routine, the better the results will be. Make it a part of your daily life and watch as your liver and overall well-being improve. If you're eager to start your journey towards a healthier, more vibrant you, there's no better time than right now. Give this liver tonic a try and experience the incredible benefits for yourself. Your liver will love you for it. Hey, I hope you're enjoying this content so far. If you want more content like this, hit that subscribe button. I've got a question for you. Have you ever tried mixing lemon, turmeric, or apple cider vinegar in water and noticed a difference in your health? Share your experiences in the comments below. Thanks for watching.